Neymar has been out of the Brazil national team for almost 2 years after recovering from injury. He played several matches for Santos, raising hopes that he would return to the famous yellow jersey during the upcoming FIFA window in September. However, there's a bad news for fans and supporters. Neymar has suffered another injury, making his chances of appearing in the World Cup qualifiers very slim. According to a report from Brazilian media outlet Globo, Neymar has suffered a thigh injury, although Brazil coach Carlo Ancelotti has not yet officially announced the squad. Neymar is now highly unlikely to be included due to the injury. The injury came after a particularly rough week for Neymar. His team, Santos, suffered a crushing 6-0 defeat against Vasco da Gama. Following the loss, Neymar left the field in tears, and now with this fresh injury setback, those tears are likely to deepen. It is still uncertain when Neymar will be able to return to the field. However, it is almost certain that he will miss the international FIFA window in September.